So now we are going to discuss exactly the idea is that you are able to see my screen? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So now we'll discuss exactly how to create a Scala project using Intellij, okay? In Ubuntu. Correct? That is our system, what we have created here right now.
Yes.
Okay. So that is the first points we are going to do it exactly right now. How to create a Scala project exactly. So before the first what we do here in this terminal, we'll go to our IntelliJ locations where we have to set up user, right? What is the location? There, user, local,
/local /Hadoop.
Hadoop. Okay, we can see user local Hadoop. Okay, now,
Yeah.
okay. In this we have a IntelliJ or idea, right? Name,
Yes.
and then we have a bin directory.
Yes.
Bin dot /bin /idea dot sh. Okay, is a file.
Yeah.
So these commands basically help us to open your IntelliJ IDE.
Yeah.
Okay. So before going to this here, first of all, what is our requirement? Okay. So whenever we are going to write any project, okay, let me keep this heading here.
Yeah.
Now, first, what is the requirement? So any project as a developer, what should be our requirement? First of all, we should know what is the project name, right?
Yes.
Then what? We should know the project structure.
Yeah.
Then what we should know? We should know basically naming convention, right?
Yes.
Correct. All these details we should know. Then only should start writing the program, and then we should require about the business requirement. Correct.
Yes.
Business requirement and what to do for my task. Correct.
Yes.
So this is the keyword checkpoint for any project, right? So first of all, before going to this development, like project name, project requirement, project structures, naming conventions, business requirement, what to do for my task exactly. Along with that, what other information we should collect? Along with this, we should collect system informations, softwares,
Yes.
details, software versions, correct?
Yes.
Build softwares details. Either I am using SVT or Maven or Gradle, correct?
Yeah.
Maven or Gradle. Then what we should know? Okay. Then we should require Git repo details. All these informations we collect from the office. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, what we get? Library softwares. Let's say I'm using a Spark. So a Spark jar file details, because we cannot download from the internet from the office system, right? Not
Yes.
allowed. Similarly, if I'm using Hadoop jar files details, right? Files details or locations to configure for developer users, correct?
Yes.
So these are the checkpoint for us. What are the software I'm using? What are the software version I'm using here? It's very, very important, okay? Then build softwares. What are the build softwares I'm going to use here? What is the Git repository details we have? What are the jar files we are going to use exactly here? So this we can see here, jar files info, which is required, right, for my project, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So in these cases here, if we collect here right now, in these points, it becomes my one of the, now I got my project name. I got all the software name.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's start. Software details. I'm using a Scala. Let's say 2.13 is one requirement, correct? SBT 1.10, second requirement. So I got software along with the version, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here I'm using what? SBT.
SVT. Yeah.
Okay. Scala build tool. Okay. Then Git repository right now we are not using, but yes, we can tell. Okay. Let's say like if my company is like Toyota, so I can say like Toyota. We have one repo name, Thai, and then I can say basically dev is my repo name, correct?
Yeah.
Then jar files info. So I can say basically we have our containers or we have the list of directory where all the jar file is dumped in Office, right? So in these cases, we can provide one of the repo details exactly here. So if you go for like Toyota, Thai, dev, and here we have one folder name is jars. All the jars are dumped here, right? We need to download, correct?
Yes.
So we got project name, project structure, naming conventions. The first of all that we have to know all this requirement. Once this is done, we should go and start writing the project. But can you write directly the project? No. What is the next step? Let's say, so my project name is bank. Okay.
Yeah.
So I should create one architecture or design flow of my project. Okay. Or I should get this document from the team. You got my point?
Yeah.
In the bank project, what are the module we have? That is the next questions
Yes.
will arise. So let's say here we have the two models. I'm not keeping much more. I can say I have account model and the loan model section. We have account, okay, and then we have what? Loan model. So you can see right now. Now I have a two-ad structure, right?
Yes.
So this what is this bank name? So I can say this bank is ICC Bank. One example, ICC Bank. And so I can see here org dot commercialize dot ICICI Bank. Correct? That is the flow.
Yes.
So org.com dot ICICI Bank, what is this? Organizations Commercial ICICI Bank is my project name, right? So
Yes.
this is known as package. Splitting your modules. This is known as what? Package.
Package.
So what is package? In the simple terms today, I can tell it's nothing but directory. So what is the root directory? Org. What is in a directory? Com. What is in a directory? ICICI Bank, correct?
Yes.
Folder is a folder. Okay.
Yeah.
So like that in account, I have another module, sub module. Okay. Let's say saving account,
Yeah.
saving account, and then we have a business account. Similarly, in the loan also we have a personal loan department, correct? And
Yes.
then what we have? Home loan department. We
Home
cannot have the
loan.
same, right?
Yes.
Home loan. So in this case, you can see right now, these two structures belong to the accounts, and these two directory belongs to what loan, right? Here and here. Okay. Now let's see. In this loan, in the saving account, I have some class. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying here in the saving account, I'm saying student account. Student account, correct? Then I
Yes.
am saying uh, corporate account. Corporate account. Okay. Then I am saying business account. Sorry, corporate account, uh, saving account, right?
Yeah.
Saving account is another class. Package can be a same, no problem. Okay, accounts I'm keeping, right? So
Yes.
these are the class to what account. So now I got my requirement. I got the project name, ICICI Bank. Project structure I got now. Inside
Yes.
the bank, ICICI Bank, I should org com ICICI Bank. Inside that bank, we have the account and the loan module. And the naming convention also we got to know. So inside the account should be the saving account, business account. In the saving account should be the student account, corporate account, saving account. Similarly, inside the personal loans, let's say here, I can say farmer loan. Okay. Let's say here I'm keeping what? Farmer loan. I'm keeping here users loan. Okay. I'm keeping here again student loan. Okay. I'm keeping here marriage loan. You got the point here?
Yes.
Similarly, in home loan, let's say like basically department, right? So either you're going for construction loan, okay, land loan, then apartment loan. So now I got to know all the details, right?
Yes.
Now based on this, I should create my project. You got the requirement? What do you think?
Yeah.
Now I got the requirement. I got the project name, project restrict, naming conventions, business requirement, what to do my task. That is the different case. As of now, I'm not focusing that part. I got all the software details. Okay. Now
Yes.
based on this, I'll come to here. So first of all, I'll close all this ID first time. Now I'll go to the new project. Okay.
Yeah.
So before to the new project, first of all, what software I'm using here? Scala and SBT, right?
Scala. Yeah.
This one, correct? Scala and what? SBT.
SPT.
These
Yes.
softwares we need to configure into Intellij, okay?
Yeah.
To be configured into Intellij. You got my point here?
Yes.
With that requirement. So the first of all, what to do for that? We'll go to the plugin. In this plugin, if you click a Scala, you'll get it, right? So
Yeah.
Scala is already installed in my system, you are able to see.
Yeah.
Okay. In your system, if it is not there, come to the plugin first time, only one time activity. Come
Yeah.
to the Scala, it will install it, it will install a Scala and SBT together. Once
Okay.
this is done, we'll go to project.
Project. Okay.
Then new project. Fine.
Yeah.
Now I am coming to the new project here. So what is my project name? ICICI Bank. Okay, that is my project name. The first requirement. Okay. So I'll say here ICICI Bank. Okay, that is my project. Now in this project name, see that JTK 1.8, SBT
Yeah.
1.6.2,
Yeah.
Scala 2.13.14, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got the versions here, and
Yes.
then after knowing these versions here, we are now creating this. So this is your version details, right? Let me see. We have a space. Yeah. This is the version, correct?
Yeah.
I'm giving here. See, we got now here. Fine. So
Yeah.
based on this version, we are using now. If it is lower version, we have to go for the lower version, right?
Yes.
We should check in my office 2.12.12, 2.12.11, what version they are using, correct? Based on that only we can select it here. So right
Okay.
now I'm not changing, I'm keeping it right now. So I got my project name, and so this is the environment, okay? So in the
Okay.
bottom, you can see in the bottom line we have SBT cell. Okay, to run your
Yes.
SBT command, Scala build tool command to build package. Build. So this will be the build is the terminal where it load all the related jar file.
Okay.
Okay, based on Scala and SBT, and it will build the project here. This is the terminal where we can compile your Java code if you want. If you want to run your Java, right? See that? Use your local Hadoop project ICC bank, correct? But right now it is
Yes.
blank. See, we can run Linux command. That is the terminal.
Okay.
Problem, whatever the issue is coming here, it will be coming here, right? Versions control. Suppose that I'll be explaining about the Git repository and all. So this is the versions structure, like main directory or branch feature branch directory, right? Or feature branch. All these details we can see inside the versions control here. So generally we use terminals. Build, widely we use the build because we have to know about the build, right?
Yes.
For deployment. So now my build is completed. Now what I should do? Now I should know my Spark jar file,
Okay.
Hadoop jar file, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So as of now, if I'm building the local system here, first I'll go here, Spark Maven jar. Okay. I'll come here. So my office tools, we are using 3.2 jar file. Okay. 3.2 Spark. You got my point?
Okay.
My we are using 3.2 or 3.3. Let's say 3.3. So what is this Scala? 2.12 and 2.13. Correct?
Yes.
See that. So this Spark 3.3.1 has been developed 2.12 as well as
3,
2.13.
13,
But
13.
I want to go 2.12. Okay,
Okay.
my
Okay.
requirement. Now you come, if you come here right now, this is the library of the SBT syntax. If I'm going to use the Maven, I'll go to the Maven. I can copy paste for the Maven build. If I'm going for Gradle, I'll go for Gradle. So generally, this is the SBT. So I have copied the syntax. I'll come to this locations here. So if you go here right now in ICCA project, we have build.sbt file. You can see right now, last file, correct?
Yes.
Build.sbt. So what is in this build, right? Version 0, ICC, what is the project name? ICC bank, correct? Now here, what I'll do, just I'll copy paste it. Okay, you can see now. Similarly, what I'll do, I'll go for, let's say, Hive jar. Okay,
Okay.
I want Hive jar. Okay, Hive Marvin. See that Hive jar is which jar do you want basically in Hive, right? That is the point. See, ORG Apache Hive JDBC, correct?
Yes.
So I want this jar file. Let me show you. Kafka. Maven jar file. Okay. Kafka line. Fine. See that here. If I'm coming for the Kafka client here, let's say if I'm going for 3.2.2 right here,
Okay.
I can copy this one Kafka client library dependency. I'll come and copy here. A Spark, Kafka I got. So can you see the right side here?
Yes.
My mouse pointer. What it is saying? Load SBT changes, right? Control Shift O is a shortcut, correct?
Yes.
So if you click here, it will start downloading the library of your project right now from the internet,
Okay.
from Maven repository. So what we have done now? Now we created the project, we configured the softwares, the Scala and SPT. Now we are downloading the jar file for my project, correct?
Yes.
First part, configure to Intellij that we completed now. So in the project, we have the two directory. You can see right now.
Yeah.
One second, let it build. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have two directory right now. in the project we have a two directory always. One is main and one is test, correct?
Yes.
This one. Or I can take it from here to here. Okay. Three directory I have, okay? Let me tell you. For this three directory. So in SRC main, okay? So here your Scala code will Scala code will be written, okay? Then we have what? TST, correct?
Test. Yeah.
Unit test. Right? Unit test of project or modules, correct? Whatever we have written, correct?
Okay.
That is this. Next, target. Correct?
Yeah.
So target once again. So target is nothing but your output directory, the build path, okay? Okay. Target is nothing but your build path. Output build path. Okay. For jar file by SBT. So once the project is built, it will load the jar file, correct? It will create the jar file. That jar file we can check into the target folder. Clear no? A Scala code, the main unit testing code inside the test directory of the SRC, and target means once we build the project, after the build, it will load your output right to the target location. Okay, once build. Yeah, any questions here? There.
No, Amit. I'm good.
Once build. It will go to this location here. So we understood this is my first requirement we should know in my project. This is my second requirement I should know in my project, right? This is the third. We are creating the project. Now I'll be finally coming to the coding. This is the fourth requirement, right? To understand the project structure, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm coming to the project structure. Okay. So we call to know. See that inside test Scala and main Scala we have, right? Directory. Now what I'm going to do as per this port number, right? What I'm keeping here? Port number. Correct. As per this port number, what I'm doing right now? I am coming to project here, right? The bank, ICC bank, account and the loan we have, right?
Yes.
You can see here org.com.icc bank. So first I should go and create the package here, okay? org.com.icci bank. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do, I am going to create two more package. Package means directory.
Yeah.
Nothing as of now. Okay, we'll discuss later in the coming class package. So org.com.icicibank. I got.
But
Again,
that
I'll
will
come
be
here.
that will be under the no,
It will come.
first we created
It,
ICICI
it,
Bank.
yeah,
So
yeah,
other
it will
two
come.
packages will be under that, is it?
Right, correct. ICC bank dot loan. We got now.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. So in the accounts, we have the two sub module, correct? Here,
Yes.
saving account and business account, correct?
Yes.
So I'll go to the account, I'll go to the new, I'll go to the package here, and I'll say here what? Saving account. Again, I'll come here, I'll go here, again, I'll go to the package here.
Yes.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
remove the saving account and I'll keep what? Business account, correct?
Yeah.
See, I got now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, I'll come here loan, loan. I'll say here Personal loan.
Personal. Yeah.
Again, I'll come here, right click. Again, I'll come here, a Scala package here. I'll say business loan. Correct now?
Yeah.
So you got the point. Account and the loan flow. Now we are done till here. Correct?
Yes.
Or whatever personal loan, home loan we can say, right? Let's say if we have home loan, we'll keep home loan as per the architecture. Home loan. Now you got. So we are following the same structures what I receive my document, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now what is the advantage? Why do we need to follow? Why I'm not keeping any name? The reason is that so once we build the project, we have to load this project to my main branch, right? As like versions control, we have to manage, right? Git repository.
Mhm.
So if I am not following my project structure, and suppose we are two developer, Dhiran and Amit. I am writing some other model name, you are keeping some other model name. So there will be some code conflicts, right?
Yes.
We cannot merge. Loan, you are also working, I gave some other name. I'm not giving loan, I'm giving suppose ICCA loan. What will happen? Now it becomes two different module, right?
Yes.
You are working on home loan, I am working personal loan as a developer in the team, correct?
Yeah.
So that's why these structures must be followed by every developer in the team. Okay, so that code conflicts should not be happen. Same code should not be duplicate in the code, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so to overcome this problem, we are managing the package and naming structures here. Now we'll come to know saving account. So in the saving account, I have a class. What I'm writing here is student account. Okay, then I
Okay.
have that I'm keeping here class personal account. Correct. Similarly, if I'm coming here right now home loan, and if I come here a Scala class, I'll say construction loan. Okay.
Yeah.
This name, class name can be changed. Okay. Class name does not impact much because it is related to my task. Correct.
Yes.
The flat apartment loan. Okay. So you can see here, even the class name, I'm keeping the first letter as a capital letter. Then next word also I'm keeping as a capital letter, right? This is the standard naming. Okay. We should follow.
Okay.
We cannot follow like just normal anything. Okay, and then I can say basically land loan. Done. Then I'm coming to the personal loan here, marriage loan. See, so whenever you are giving this marriage loan, what is coming here? Package, right? ORG,
Yes.
ICC bank loan dot personal loan, correct?
Yes.
So going to the land loan, what is the package name? ORG, ICC bank loan home loan. It means
Home loan.
what? If I required any code related to the land loan, I should go to this directory, correct? Home loan, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, the system should know the path of your directory. So by the package, we'll see exactly how to call together these classes.
Yeah.
The flow. So we are good. Constructions, land, apartment, farmer loan, users loan, student loan. So here in the personal loan, we have a farmer loan, user loan, student loan also we have. So student loan, farmer loan, okay, users loan. See, all these classes we created right.
Hmm. Yeah.
So this is the way we create a project into a Scala and Intellij. Any doubts here?
No, method.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's take one example here, business account. Okay, I'll keep one class here, business. Account details. Okay. So let me next go to how to run and compile and run the code. Okay, simple. Just I'm explaining one program here. So let's say here, before going to the ICICI Bank, I'm not touching because this is my future assignment. Okay, for you. So
Okay.
in this case, what I'm coming here right now, I'll be coming a Scala and I'll be writing here one class object here and test. Okay, see that? So where is the test bank? This test bank is out of your directory structure, correct?
Yes.
See,
Yeah.
account, right? See here,
How did
this
you create it?
object,
Yeah.
I came just a Scala new, a Scala class object test bank 1.
Okay.
Okay, see, test bank 1, right?
Yes.
So here we give here extends, and then here I'm writing here print welcome to a Scala. That is the common always we have learned from day one, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So sorry. I work on. Okay. So now we'll run, right? So we can run directly from here also, or we can run from here itself, run, or I can go to the my code, test bank 1, and I can come and right click and run from here. Okay? From this place, generally I follow from here. Okay.
What is that extends app in it?
I'll come back. I'm coming. So extends app is like another traits in a Scala that I'll discuss in my TED class. Okay, not
Okay.
today.
Okay.
So this app I'll show you. If you go to the control and press mouse pointer here, it will take you.
Okay.
Inside this app, the main function is defined. Correct? What is main function? From where the discussion get started, right? See that main function is here, right? So I'm not writing the main function. Did I write here main functions?
No.
No. Why? Because main is defined inside the app.
App.
So that's
Okay.
why I'm calling object with the app. So now I'm able to get my output, right? So any project, remember, whatever the project you are doing, suppose you got some new code, right? Or existing code to start the project, try to find where they've used extends app or the main function. In which object? Not in the
Okay.
class. It will be the part of object only. See, these are the class, right? See, this is the class, correct? Here, these are the class we have, right?
Yes.
Correct? All are class here, right? All are class
Yes.
here, right? But object is what? Out of the package. So
Yes.
always try to find out where is the extends app or main function is written. And that is a part, that is the part of any one object only, not in the class, in a Scala. To start your project, entry of the project, gateway of the project is the object in a Scala. So that I'll discuss tomorrow class, not today.
Okay.
Okay, so today like we understood basically how to create project in Intelligence end to end and what is the requirement we should know before starting the project work, correct? Right now.
Yes.
Tomorrow we'll go deep dive from the app, from the object, other points here. And if you have any questions, let me know.
Yeah.